How can I tell when a repair will simply delay replacement? Look at the item's age, repair history, safety, remaining useful life, and total cost instead of judging the repair by its price alone. A repair may only delay replacement when the main system is worn out, not just one small part. Start by checking the expected life of the equipment, because a repair on something near the end of its normal service period may not last long. Add the proposed repair cost to recent repair bills from the past few years, then compare that amount with the price of a dependable replacement. Ask the technician what caused the failure and whether the repair fixes that cause or only hides its symptoms. For example, replacing a leaking pipe helps, but replacing pipes again and again because of widespread corrosion may point to a larger problem. Watch for repeated breakdowns, rising energy or water use, unusual noises, unsafe wiring, rust, cracking, or parts that are no longer available. One useful question is, if this repair works, how long should I reasonably expect the whole system to last? Also ask what other parts are likely to fail next, because one aging component can signal that several others are close behind. Write down the answers, costs, dates, and warranties before deciding, and get a second opinion when the repair is expensive or safety is involved. A common mistake is comparing one repair bill only with the replacement price, so include recent and likely future repairs as well. Another mistake is assuming a new-looking part makes an old system reliable, so ask whether the surrounding components are also worn. People also sometimes choose the cheapest repair without checking safety or efficiency, so confirm that the work meets current building rules and request a written warranty. A repair is usually more sensible when it solves a limited problem, costs much less than replacement, and leaves the rest of the system in good condition. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.